Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you cancel your Nitro on Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to cancel your Nitro from Discord, just simply open the Discord application at very first. And after opening the Discord, it will show something like this page. Now, you just simply have to select your profile by tapping into this icon at the bottom right corner. Tap there and then you will get a bunch of options into here. And you will get this Nitro option enabled if you have already got the Nitro. Now, in order to cancel the Nitro, tap to the same place and then you will get the option to cancel the Nitro from here. You just simply have to check out all of the billings has been done correctly or not, and you can cancel the Nitro subscription from this page. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.